If you've ever had to decorate slime or you're doing a DIY arts and crafts and you've been looking for cute charms, then these are it. So this is a 100-piece Kawaii charm set, and you get a ton of different designs, not just 5 and just repeats over and over. All right, so check out how detailed these are. So they're glossy, they're bright. So I'll take a look at this one, nice bright blue color with a strawberry. Then you have this one that is a watermelon, dinosaur, a star. I think this one has a cute little bunny on it. And then you have this one. So these are just a few of the ones that I'm showing you. And like I said, the colors are bright, they're glossy, and they're the perfect miniature size. All right, and then I just wanted to show you that on the back, they are flat back. So you can glue this on anything, which is the point of having these. For slime, you'll just press them on top and they'll instantly will look way more fun and put together. I also like these for DIY projects, such as like hair clips, putting them on planners, or even scrapbooking. All right, so I just wanted to get an up close of the different styles that you have, because there's like 50 different ones, and you get, like I said, you'll have like bananas, cherries, bears, and you have butterflies. It's basically a whole craft stash in one box. All right, so these little charms are lightweight, they're sturdy, and because they're made out of resin, then you can wipe them clean if they get dirty. So if you're in the market for a cute charm set for your slime or your DIY crafts, and you're looking for a lot of variety without hunting for individual packs, then you should definitely check this one out.